Hello. We are back again with the third video in the statistics series coming from our Georgia Math Standards for middle school. And today we're doing the third standard. Recognize that a measure of center for a numerical data set summarizes all of its values with a single number, while a measure of variation describes how its values vary with a single number. Now, we're not going to go into too many details about all the different types of measures of center and all the different types of measures of variation. But what we are going to do is look at this simple example and just kind of get our minds oriented to what is meant by this and by it being represented by a single number. So we have an example data set here with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if you just think, what's center? Center is in the middle, and we have a numerical data set. That's very important. But with this, we have 5 numbers. So if I go to the middle, if I think about the middle, what I'm going to naturally assume is that the number in the middle is 3. So let's highlight or circle 3. So this will be a single number. So if someone says, what is the center of this data set? You wouldn't say 2, 3, 4. You would say 3. Okay? And then the second thing we want to look at is measures of variation. So measure of variation describes how values vary with a single number. And like I said, we're not going to focus on the names of any measures of variation, but the first thing that I'm naturally thinking about is how far away is my largest number, which is 5, from my smallest number, which is 1. So this could give me an idea of how the values vary. So how am I going to represent this with one number? Well, maybe I can subtract 5 minus 1, meaning that the distance from these two numbers is 4. So that could be our measure of variation, showing us how the values vary from each other. So I could say these numbers vary because they are 4 numbers apart. So thank you so much for joining for this explanation in this video. And I hope to see you again for the next video. Bye.